question asks us to predict whether a mercurinium ion or a carbocation is more stable and to justify our answer. The mercurinium ion looks like it should be less stable. It's a small strained ring that has a charge on it, so you might think that the carbocation should be more stable. But in fact, it is not. The mercurinium ion is the more stable of these two structures. How do we know? If the mechanism went through a full carbocation intermediate, especially look at this one, this is a secondary carbocation next to a tertiary center, we could do a hydride shift to do a carbocation rearrangement to make this carbocation more stable, which means we would end up with a tertiary alcohol instead of the secondary alcohol that we get from the oxymercuration reaction. The oxymercuration does not go through carbocation rearrangement, which means that it does go through the mercurinium ion. The ball always rolls downhill, so if the mechanism goes through the mercurinium ion when it could have gone through a carbocation, that must mean that the mercurinium ion is more stable than the carbocation.